The Furman STEM Scholars Program is funded through an NSF STEM award and is designed around these 5 central components. Scholars begin their experience with Safe Passage, an 8-day experience that allows scholars to live together, attend classes together, shadow research students, and build community. The program is intentionally designed to foster a strong cohort.
For me, I think the Safe Passage aspect of the STEM Scholars Program was the most important for me because I got to meet several professors in different departments, I got to meet research students in different fields, and I also got to meet incoming freshmen. And all of those things I think really helped prepare me for my first year of college and again make the transition from high school to college a lot smoother than it would have been had I not been a part of this program.
Developing those relationships with other fellow STEM scholars, it helps develop a form of security. I was able to really know that I could lean on someone if something were to happen or I needed help in a certain class like chemistry or calculus. So that really helped.
Fostering community in and outside of the classroom leverages scholar relationships to enhance learning. Scholars are co-enrolled in a section of general chemistry that employs active learning and peer-based pedagogies.
I saw the students show up in community by forming these groups that studied together, they came to class and sat together, they went to the extra peer-partnered learning sessions that would happen in the evening together. They would come to my office hours the first few times as they were becoming more comfortable with college. They would come with someone else from the cohort. So I think having that community really helped give them boldness as they stepped into college.
Sometimes you have to step back and let the students teach each other, and that they benefit from teaching the material just as much as I benefit from teaching the material.
Scholars benefit from an enhanced advising system throughout their Furman experience that is designed to increase awareness and engagement in a wide range of pre-professional experiences.
One of the biggest things to help you get into research is you have to kind of make a meeting early on in the school year, which is something that I did not even think about doing and known about doing before I got into this program. So just being a STEM scholar and learning how to do that early on has helped me a lot when it comes to getting into the research lab I really wanted to get into.
Program leaders are invested in assessment to document outcomes and impacts. We are especially interested in outcomes related to belonging at Furman and in STEM professions.
I definitely feel like I belong at Furman. I have my group of friends now. I've joined a few extracurriculars. I'm into a research lab, and I know my professors. I talk to them, I see them around. Even from last semester, I say hi to them. So I really do think that I belong at Furman now.